So here's the deal. You eat as many eggs as you can in whatever manner, fashion you can in 60 seconds. At the end of the 60 seconds, you have to open your mouth and show me that you don't have egg in your mouth. Do you understand?
Right.
Pretty straightforward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. One, 0. Okay.
Can you tell me how you feel right now?
Sick. After that 7 earlier and now that.
It's harder than it looks. I thought I could swallow and pull, but then I was wrong. I would have probably bought a Wii. Or I would have been on a big shopping spree. A big one. Now, I don't really like eggs much, but for $200, I'll eat them. I'll eat them if I could win.